हेलो दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल। स्वागत है आपका सीक्रेट टीचिंग यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जनरल साइंस। तो शुरू करते हैं आज के अपने पहले क्वेश्चन से। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द केमिकल सिंबल फॉर ऑक्सीजन। व्हाट इज द केमिकल सिंबल फॉर ऑक्सीजन। O2 is the chemical symbol for oxygen, where O represent chemical symbol for element oxygen। O ऑक्सीजन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। ओ एंड टू जो है, टू रिप्रेजेंट करता है डाई एटॉमिक मोलिक्यूल को। टू डाई एटॉमिक मोलिक्यूल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, डाई एटॉमिक मोलिक्यूल। व्हाट इज, तो यहाँ पे O2 इज द केमिकल सिंबल फॉर ऑक्सीजन। आगे चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन पे। क्वेश्चन है अपना, विच ऑर्गन इन द बॉडी फिल्टर ब्लड। किडनी इन द आवर बॉडी फिल्टर ब्लड। किडनी इन द बॉडी फिल्टर ब्लड। विच गैस डू प्लांट रिलीज ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस। प्लांट रिलीज ऑक्सीजन एंड ह्यूमन रिलीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए होगा, ऑक्सीजन। ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट रिलीज ऑक्सीजन। व्हाट इज द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर। 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर। ऑप्शन नंबर बी। व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर। एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ मैटर। विच प्लैनेट इज नोन एज रेड प्लैनेट। रेड प्लैनेट। Mars is known as red planet. Option A is correct. Mars is known as red planet. Which vitamin is produced in the body by sunlight? Vitamin D is produced by sunlight in our body. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Option D, photosynthesis. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Heart is responsible for pumping blood. Option number B. Option B is correct. What is the unit of force? Newton is the unit of force. Option A. Newton is the unit of force. What gas do human exhale during respiration? Human exhale carbon dioxide and plant exhale oxygen. Option B is correct. Human exhale carbon dioxide and human inhale oxygen. Inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. Which organ control body balance? Brain control body balance. Brain control body balance. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus control body temperature. Hypothalamus can control body temperature. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Option B, Jupiter. What is the pH value of neutral water? Option B, 7. B, 7 is the pH value of neutral water. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? Diamond is the hardest natural substance on earth. Option B, diamond. Which organ is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of cell. Option B, mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. SI unit of electric current. Ampere is the SI unit of electric current. Option B, ampere. What is the normal human body temperature in Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit 98.6 degree. In Celsius 36.9 degree Celsius, approx 37 degree. What gas is commonly known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. Option B. Nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. Option number B. What part of the plant conduct photosynthesis? Leaf conduct photosynthesis in the plant. Option B. Which gas is essential for respiration? Oxygen is essential for respiration. Option B. Oxygen is responsible for respiration. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? Option number A. 1 is the atomic number of hydrogen. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K help in blood clotting. Option B, vitamin K. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl. NaCl is the chemical formula for table salt. NaCl is sodium chloride, HCl is hydrochloric acid, NaOH is sodium hydroxide, KCl is potassium chloride. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury is closest to the sun. Option A, Mercury. What is the lightest element? Hydrogen is the lightest element. Option A, hydrogen. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver is the largest internal organ in the human body. Option C is correct, liver. Which type of blood cells helps fight infection? White blood cells. White blood cell. Option A, white blood cell help to fight infection. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AU is the chemical symbol for gold. Option A. AU is the chemical symbol for gold. AG is chemical symbol for silver. AG. GD यानी कि gadolinium is chemical symbol for GD. Part of the brain controls memory. Option B, cerebrum. Option B, cerebrum. What type of lens is used to correct short-sightedness? Myopia. Option B, concave lens. Option B, concave lens. What is the study of fossil called? Paleontology is study of fossil. Which planet has a ring system? Saturn have a ring system. Option B, Saturn has a ring system. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Fe is the chemical symbol for iron. Option B, Fe is chemical symbol for iron. Blood group is known as universal donor. Universal donor, O negative. Option A, O negative is called universal donor. What is the main component of the sun? Hydrogen is the main component of the sun. A, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the main component of the sun. Which part of the human body produce insulin? Pancreas produce insulin. Option B, pancreas in the human body produce insulin. What is the process by which solid turns directly into gas? Sublimation is the process. Option C, sublimation is the process by which solid turn directly into gas. What is the main function of red blood cells? Transport oxygen is the main function of the red blood cells. Option A is correct, transport oxygen. What type of charge does a proton have? Proton have a positive charge. Option C, proton has a positive charge. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz is the unit of frequency. Option A is correct, hertz. Joule, जूल वर्क एंड एनर्जी का होगा, यूनिट जूल वर्क एंड एनर्जी का. वोट होगा पावर का, वोट पावर का. और ओम होगा इलेक्ट्रिक रेजिस्टेंस का, ऐसा यूनिट. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ क्लोरोफिल? ग्रीन इज द कलर ऑफ क्लोरोफिल. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, ग्रीन. Which organ helps in detoxifying harmful substance in the body? Option A, liver. Option A, liver. Liver help in detoxifying harmful substance in the body. What is the chemical formula for methane? CH4 is the chemical formula for methane. CH3 is methyl, CO2 is carbon dioxide, and H2O is water. Do you call animals that eat both plant and animal? Option C, carnivorous. Option C is correct, carnivorous. What is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Option B. Which type of teeth are used for chewing and grinding food? Option C, molar. Molar helps for chewing and grinding food. Option number C, molars. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher. Option A is correct, carbon dioxide. What is the major component of bones and teeth? Option B, calcium. Calcium is the major component of bones and teeth. What is the basic unit of heredity? Gene is the basic unit of heredity. Option C is correct. Gene is the basic unit of heredity. तो दोस्तों ये थे हमारे आज के क्वेश्चन। आशा करता हूँ अच्छे लगे होंगे। अच्छे लगे होंगे तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। मिलते हैं कल एक और नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।